Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Olia Medium Brown is probably one of the most sought-after at-home hair coloring solutions for those desiring a rich, natural-looking medium brown shade without the harshness often associated with traditional dyes, promising not just vibrant color but also visibly healthier hair thanks to its unique oil-powered formula that delivers maximum color performance while being ammonia-free, ensuring a pleasant application experience and a stunning, long-lasting result that truly transforms your look. Number 5. Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Crème Hair Color. Discover a new level of hair transformation. This permanent hair dye delivers rich, beautiful color that lasts. Say goodbye to grays with confidence. It provides 100% gray coverage, ensuring a flawless and even result. Feel good about your hair color choice. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your values. Achieve a stunning look with its beautiful 40 dark brown shade. It's often described as a luxurious dark chocolate tone. Experience the difference of an ultra cream formula. It helps to nourish your hair while delivering brilliant color. What we like. This first option offers complete gray coverage with a rich, creamy formula. It's also a great choice for conscious consumers, being vegan and cruelty-free. If you prioritize ethical products and need reliable gray coverage, this is an excellent pick. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 4. Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kit, Catania Brown. Discover a new level of beauty with this exceptional hair color kit. It's designed to give you salon-quality results right at home. Experience the rich 5 ngm dark cinnamon brown shade, enhanced with beautiful gold mahogany tones. This specific Catania brown hue will add warmth and depth to your look. Enjoy vibrant, permanent hair dye that truly lasts. It ensures your stunning new shade stays brilliant for weeks to come. Achieve flawless, dimensional gray coverage every time. This kit expertly blends away grays, leaving you with a natural, multi-tonal finish. Feel good about what you put on your hair. This product is PPD-free and ammonia-free, offering a gentler coloring experience without harsh chemicals. What we like. Next up, we have a premium option known for its gentle, PPD-free and ammonia-free formula. It delivers superior, dimensional gray coverage, avoiding a flat look. If you have sensitivities or want a more natural-looking, multi-tonal result, this one is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Garnier Olia Permanent Hair Color. Discover a new way to color your hair with this innovative product. It delivers rich, vibrant color that lasts. Experience a more pleasant coloring process. This formula is free from harsh ammonia, making it gentle on your hair. Say goodbye to grays with confidence. It provides complete coverage, ensuring a uniform and flawless look. Achieve a stunning 5.0 medium brown shade. This beautiful color enhances your natural beauty. Enjoy long-lasting results with this permanent hair dye. Your new color will stay vibrant and true. What we like. Our third contender boasts an ammonia-free formula for a more pleasant coloring experience. It provides 100% gray coverage, ensuring a uniform, rich color. If you dislike strong chemical smells and need full gray coverage, this is a strong candidate. What people say. The hair color provides excellent gray coverage for a uniform result. Its oil-powered formula helps to improve hair's condition and shine. Number 2. Garnier Olia Light Brown Permanent Hair Dye 6.0. Discover a beautiful, natural-looking light brown shade with this exceptional hair dye. It delivers stunning results, transforming your hair with vibrant color. Experience a more pleasant coloring process. This product is formulated without ammonia, ensuring a gentle and enjoyable scent during application. Say goodbye to unwanted gray hairs. It provides up to 100% gray hair coverage, giving you a flawless and youthful look. Achieve intense and long-lasting color. This dye ensures maximum color performance, leaving your hair with a rich, radiant finish. Infused with 60% oils, it deeply nourishes your hair as it colors. This unique blend helps to improve hair quality, leaving it soft and shiny. Transform your hair with a brilliant light brown hue. It not only colors but also cares for your hair, making it look and feel healthier. What we like. This next product stands out with its 60% oil-powered formula, enhancing color and shine. It's ammonia-free, ensuring a pleasant scent during application. If you seek vibrant color, exceptional shine, and a comfortable coloring process, this is for you. What people say. Number 1. Garnier Olia Permanent Hair Color. Discover a revolutionary way to color your hair. This innovative product brings salon-quality results right to your home. Unlike traditional hair dyes, it's powered by oils, not ammonia. This unique blend delivers vibrant color while visibly improving hair quality. Achieve a beautiful, radiant medium blonde shade. It provides rich, long-lasting color with incredible shine. Experience a gentle coloring process that leaves your hair feeling softer and looking healthier. It's designed for maximum comfort during application. This convenient pack ensures you have enough for multiple applications or touch-ups. Get consistent, gorgeous results every time. Elevate your hair coloring experience with this premium product. It's time to embrace vibrant, healthy-looking hair. What we like. Finally, we have an oil-powered option that delivers rich, vibrant color. This particular offering comes in a convenient multi-pack, perfect for regular users. If you love consistent results and want to stock up on your favorite shade, this value pack is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.